Hello students, welcome to all of you on YouTube channel. Myself Sasank Tripathi from Pioneer Montessori Inter College Lakhpedawag Barabanki. As we are now studying from internet medium, so we have some problems and some new adventures. Like that, there is a lesson in class 9th, first lesson named The Fun They Had. This lesson belongs to nowadays situations which are occurring. Those situations which we are facing nowadays. But Isaac Asimov, the writer of this lesson, has written this thing about 2157 years. But today we are doing same thing which he had imagined about in 2157 years. What he had imagined? He had imagined that in that year 2157 there would be no schools like that we have today. We have today school buildings, books, bags in which we contain our books, and we have our teachers and our classrooms. But as time will pass, these things also would be changed. How this story takes us to the world of the future where computers will play a major role. We are talking about an era where computer will be a very important for everyone. Nowadays we are doing a lot of works by computers or internets, as we are facing pandemic COVID-19. In such situations we are studying through mobile phones, computers, laptops, by internet medium. Same thing would be happen after 100 or 150 years. There would be no any school or no any books. There would be only on everything would be on screen, and that will be known as virtual classroom. Everything will be taught or read on screen of computer. So this chapter also suggests us about that time when would be no books, no classrooms, only computers, and what would be differences, कैसे कैसे अंतर होंगे. This has been taught or described in this lesson. If we would read or teach in computer screen, there would be lacking of some manners in students, their sportsmanship, their team spirits, a lot of things those which we learn in schools, in colleges, that would be not there. There would be only books. In classroom or in our bags we have some definite books, but in computers we would have a lot of books. As we can see that there are a lot of books on computers, so we can see each book which has been published by this medium. So as we talk about this lesson, the fun they had, if we would imagine about a person who is present in 2157 era, and He is talking about nowadays situations because today we have blackboards, books, teachers, classrooms, but in that year or time there will be nothing like that. So how would we feel then? This is expressed in this lesson, the fun they had. The fun they had in this lesson, Margie and Tommy, two students, are talking about the past time when there were books and classrooms and teachers, but now they have only e-books and robotic teachers, and robotic teachers teach them at their appointed time and only books. But in that nowadays we teach in by our teachers different other things, different other activities and moral thoughts which mold our characters and personality also. Moral thoughts and other activities are very essential for students because they mold their shape and personality. We cannot neglect that books are not necessary. Books are also very important, but these activities and moral thoughts and moral behaviors shape our characters, which is necessary for society. The fun they had as we read the story we shall read is set in the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. The lesson is, our writer is talking about that in that era we would have not any type of such books, teachers and classrooms in that era. How will children study then? He is saying that how will children or students study then? And he is describing some diagram about how would be class at that time. In pairs, there is a discussion about in classrooms or in student between students, but as we start our chapter, Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. Margie had write about in that night in her diary on the page headed 70 May 2157. Margie wrote a diary and gave a title 17th May 2157 here. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." She wrote that today Tommy had found a real book. Tommy, a character in that lesson, the fun they had. Tommy found a real book which was published in past years and taught in classrooms. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Margie suggests that the book belonged to Margie's grandfather. When her grandfather was a student, the books were printed. by publishers, and stories were taught through books to the students. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly word. Crinkly. Crinkly means with folds. He had a book which had folds, means सिकुड़न होती है, जैसे बुक आपके पास होती है उसमें फोल्ड्स हो जाते हैं, परतें हो जाती हैं, उसके वाले. They turned the pages. Tommy and Margie both turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Next line. It was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Moving away, as you have seen television screen, there were linings which were in moving way, like you see breaking news. All the time you see on television screen breaking news. But now they had a book which had crinkly and yellow pages, and there are words still and stood, like you have today's books. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. And when they turned the pages, it had when they read it the first time. The book which they have read first time, same thing was there which they read on that pages at just time. G, said Tommy, what a waste. What a waste means it is extremely foolish. As you have read in types of sentences, exclamatory sentence, what a foolish means it is extremely foolish. Tommy said, G, it is extremely foolish, बिल्कुल बेकार. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. Means you get bored by the books. I guess he doubted. Our television screen must have had million books on it. Same thing. Today we have some definite books, like 1 or 2 or 3 books for each subject. But on television screen or computer screen, we have a lot of books, a lot of publishers. Any books we can see from that. But now we have definite books like 2 or 3 numbers. And it's good for plenty more. And there is a lot of good books which we can see on computer screen. I would not throw it away. Tommy is saying that he would not throw it away because there are a lot of books. Same with mine, said Margie. Margie also favored him. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Margie was only 11 years and she had not seen so many books as Tommy had seen. because she has less experience than Tommy. He was 13. Margie was 11 years while Tommy was 13 years. So he has 2 years more experience than Margie. She said, "Where did you find it?" Margie asked Tommy about the book, from where he had taken that book. "In my house," he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. "In the attic." Attic. Attic means a space just below the roof. A space just below the roof. एक ऐसा स्थान जो कि छत से नीचे होता है, जिसको कि हम टाण या अटारी जैसे वर्ड से संबोधित करते हैं, उसको भी हम इंग्लिश में एटिक कहते हैं। यूज फॉर एज ए स्टोर रूम। इन माई हाउस, Tommy pointed that he had found that book in his house while he was reading in the attic. What's it about? School. He said that the book is about school. Margie was scornful. That was school. What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie think about schools and said he hated schools because she did not like any type of school. Okay, student. Today you have read 2 paragraphs of your first lesson. It is your starting. In next video you will read more paragraphs. You will have to read those paragraphs and do your comprehensions. Thank you, students. Keep watching my videos.